In this session, we're going to show you the first step in installing ServicePoint 365 into your environment. Please note you will need sufficient admin rights in order to complete this installation. Here in the SharePoint Admin Center, we will first create a SharePoint Online app catalog if one does not already exist. We'll give the catalog a name. Select the correct time zone. Once we're happy with the information, click OK to create the catalog. Now that we've created the SharePoint Online app catalog, we're going to upload ServicePoint 365 to the catalog. Simply select the app catalog and make the selection for Apps for SharePoint. We're now at the screen where we can upload the ServicePoint 365 app. We're going to select Upload, then go find the file that contains the app wherever we saved it locally. Then click OK. Now that we've uploaded the app, we can go in and make some edits to the information about the app to make it more informative for our users and our IT group. Simply go into the Edit function of the app, and here we can specify things such as the name of the app, a short description, a longer description, the icon associated with the app, publisher name, and also other information so that where the user can go find help if they need to. This is optional information. Once you're happy with what you've entered on the screen, click Save, and that will be saved with the app. The next step is to create a new SharePoint Online site collection and install the app. On the SharePoint Online Admin Center, we're going to go create a new site collection. To create the new site collection, give it a name, give it a unique URL, select the team site as the beginning template, specify your time zone, administrator, and storage quota. Once you're happy with this information, simply click OK to create your new site collection. Now that we've created our new site collection, we're going to set it up to use the ServicePoint 365 app. Select the site collection that we just created and open it up. Next, we're going to go to Site Contents and select Add an App. You'll see ServicePoint 365 listed as one of the apps that you can add. Select it. It will prompt you to let you know that this app does require full trust. Make the decision to trust it. Now that we've added the app, let's kick it off. This will begin the setup process that the app will create multiple things within our new site collection. As the ServicePoint 365 installation continues, you will receive a number of completion notifications that the app is being successfully installed. Do not continue on to the next step until you receive this final message, which indicates the installation process is complete and the app is now ready for users to begin to configure their custom column values and defaults.